With the bridge, all you're going to need is a roll towel and a mat to work from. Coming down on your side, roll onto your back. Now you may be wondering, the stick is here for a little demo when I'm up. I want you to place your feet a comfortable distance apart. If you have a yoga block, you can certainly use that between your knees. But otherwise, you're going to place your feet close together to allow for the towel that you have between your knees. I like to use the towel only because I've noticed that a lot of people tend to, be too wide and not control the alignment of the knees and hips. So in here, now palms are turned to the sky, shoulder blades are tucked underneath you. So if you even need to, kind of lift and tuck and lift and tuck, so that you can really get those shoulder blades in a place that's going to allow you to transfer weight through your shoulder blades. I want you to really anchor your heels down, and as we're going to be lifting the balls of the feet as well. So we start with our breath in, and we exhale, and this is where we are aware of tightening the glutes. We're squeezing our butt cheeks, squeezing them tight. We're going to lift the balls of the feet so that we're getting a nice height. And then as we come down, we're going to lengthen the tailbone as though it's trying to reach into the space between our heels. Now in the next lift, I'm going to demonstrate with the stick. And so breath, and as you blow, again squeezing your butt cheeks, lifting up high. The line that you're trying to create is one that is straight between knees, hips, and shoulders. What I often find is that if you're not getting enough glute activation, you're going to be a little bit too low. You're not going to get that straight line. And my clients that are hypermobile will actually push way up high past the line. And that's just a lot of extension or hyperextension for your spine. It doesn't add anything to the exercise, but rather puts more strain in your lumbar spine. And then as you come down, you can just let everything go all the way down. Now, the next three we're going to do at a pace that is one that I want you to take with you when you're doing your set. So, just going to reset my towel or your yoga block, whatever you're using. Tucking shoulder blades underneath. We take a nice relaxed breath in and blow. And blow. Now this time I'm inhaling as I come down and exhaling as I go up. If you find that that breath pattern is a bit slow for you, by all means, you could take your breath in, blow as you go, inhale at the top, blow as you come down, inhale, then blow again. So don't get too hung up or worried about your breath, as long as you keep breathing and that you try to encourage a gentle tightening of your pelvic floor through the exhale as you activate up, and then lengthening into the space between your heels as you come down. So one more thing I want to bring awareness of is a lot of people have learned to do a bridge by rolling one vertebrae, all the way up and then rolling all the way down. Now that's, in doing so, you're losing the neutral arch of your spine, and you're actually encouraging more flexion or rounding, almost like a sit-up. So with concern of your bone density, we want to learn to to lift, activating through our glutes, and really learning to keep a straighter spine. So that's where we'll just demonstrate it one more time. Breath in, and then you lengthen. So I've not done any pelvic tilt. I've not lost the arch in my spine. I'm just really thinking of activating through the glutes, lifting the toes. So you're digging your heels in a little bit more, and then lengthening as you come down. I hope you enjoy doing the bridge. It's a great way to start integrating gluteal strength. And when we activate our glutes, we get cooperation of our back extensors as well, but at a level that's appropriate for them.